What's up, everybody? It's game time, and we're going to get into box number 2 of 2000. I think in the first video I was calling it 2018 Donruss. If I did, I'm sorry, I'm a moron. It's 2019 Donruss. So yeah, there's that. The other thing was I couldn't place what year the reprints are from this, and it's actually, I knew it was 80s, but I couldn't place the exact year. It's actually 85. So there's that answer. Something else was there are these hollow back parallels that are numbered to 99, and they are just that, like hollow back parallels to 99. There are also some 42 tributes, a Mother's Day parallel to like 25. Well, like we kind of discovered already when opening it, there's just tons of stuff in here, just absolute tons. Alright. And you get lots of cards, and I did get 4 hits in box 1. Not sure if that'll happen again, but that's something to look for. So there it is. There's the 2 reprint styles. The Diamond Kings and just the regular reprint. So Bregman and Williams. There's lots. Oh, dadgummit. It does seem that dinged corners are a problem, even though this is absolutely brand new sealed in the box. Several cards are going to have to be trashed from the first box. That stinks for sure. But that has really been the only problem I'm seeing with the stuff. What else? Oh, there are tons of variations, and there are also variations not just in the regular cards. Oh yeah, these. Dang, I forgot to see exactly what these are called. But these have like a matte paper finish on the back. Dadgummit, I meant to check those out, and I did not do it. What I was saying is there are variations of these cards too, of the reprints. So I did not catch any when I was opening the first box, so they may not be extremely obvious like they are here with this KB instead of Chris Bryant, but it's something that you'll want to look for if you decide to open this stuff. And I think that's, you know, it's a cool extra on top of all the stuff that's already in here, and there's lots of stuff, so it's good. Alright, we got something going on here. Altuve, Renfro, ooh, Mike Trout, Majestic Materials. Well, it's just a plain little white swatch, but it is Mike Trout, so hello. I'll take it. Back looks pretty good. Nice. Alright, so there's hit 1. Again, we'll be watching to see if 4 appear again, if that's something that's going to be kind of common. Which that would be nice for, you know, a product that's this affordable. Aaron Judge. I don't think I pulled one of him from the first box. Another one with a little bit of the corners not so sharp there. I did not get one of these in the first box. This is a, what is this? It's the 49. Oh, it must be cancer awareness. Yeah, that's the first one of those I've pulled. Mike Trout jersey. Very nice. Barrios, got a parallel coming up. It is Mike Minor. Turn it around without dropping it or fingerprinting it. Season stat line to 157. Mondesi, Correa, Diaz, McGuire, and Greinke. Mookie Betts, Rizzo. We have something. I think we have an autograph. Brad Keller. Who's Brad Keller? It's another one of these signature series autographs, which I like the look of. I'm not exactly sure about Brad Keller. I like the back of these though. This is hit number 2. Rosario, Burns, Machado, Valdez, and Pence. Hang on. Since these are so fragile, I'm trying to be careful in opening the packs. Dang, there's another dinged corner. Got more trash in this one than the first one. Crawford. Yeah, that one looks alright. And another, I got one of these in the first time. Showtime, Ohtani. Bieber. Bryce Wilson and Peralta. Another one of the parallels. It's a Diamond King Scherzer this time. I guess I'll just call it the Stars parallel until I learn its official name. I knew there was something I was forgetting to look up. Trevor Story, another SP Ace, Kyle Freeland. I think I got one of these in the first pack. O'Hearn, career stat line to 500. Here's Juan Soto. Hosmer, Lindor. Ooh, good looking Elite Series. Juan Soto to $9.99. Nice. Nice, nice. Nice. Bowers, Martini. Does that say Martini? Yeah, Martini. Baez. Reese Hoskins. Jose Ramirez. All Rise. Aaron Judge to $3.49. Nicknames insert. I did not get one of these in box 1. And not only is this one of them, it is a parallel version of it. So instead of being $9.99, it's $3.49. So good on that. Chris Bryant, Kristen Stewart, Mike Minor, Brett Keller, Giancarlo Stanton. Harper, Chapman. We have Francisco Morales, rated prospect. Dang, it's a shame. There's a little pinstripe there and it's pushed right into the edge. It was just a little bit. Anyways, that's hit number 3. Alright, so now we watch to see if there's an extra. And hopefully there is. Rizzo, Castellanos. Oh, there it is. Ozuna, which is funny because this is the exact same card I pulled in box 1. Yeah, okay. So 4 hits again though. Wow. So if you're opening this stuff, let me know in the comments. Are you pulling 4 hits? Is that something I'm just getting really lucky, or is that something that's happening kind of across the board? Oh, another trash card, another trash corner. Wow. Yeah, that part reeks. There's another short print. Zilla, Blake Snell, Yelich. Let me know about your corners too. Is that across the board, or my box is just handled really roughly on the in transit? Poochie? Ozzy Albies is known as Poochie? Little Poochie. Come here, little Poochie. Justin Smoke. Ooh, a good looking Glaber Elite Series to 25. Look at that. That is sweet. Little piece of cardboard to 25. I'll take that all day. That looks good. Alright. Jones, Marte, Meha, Rainey, and Otani. Hernandez, Verlander, Walker Buehler to 151. Season stat line. Bueller's day off. So I guess that's his Twitter handle. There's Kyle Tucker, Oaks, Adamas. Snell. Kluber short print or variation. It may just be variation instead of actual short print. Looks like we might have it. Yep, another ding corner. More trash. Castellano. Oh, Nicholas Castellanos. I guess that's a variation. David Wright. I hope that the variations are actually more short printed than they were last year. Last year they were basically, they weren't really short prints. They were just variations. There's another one, Mick. Adam Jones, Walker Buehler, highlights to $9.99. Trevor Williams, Haniger, and Gonzalez. Polka, Molina, another one of the Stars parallels. Patrick Wisdom, rookie card. Freeland, Benintendi, Touki Toussaint, Ponce de Leon. Alright, a couple of packs left. So what we got here? 4 packs. I'd love to pull another 1 or 2 of those numbered inserts. That would be nice. But instead we have a George Springer parallel. I'll take that, and a George Springer base. Rhys Hoskins, Chris Archer, Reed Foley, and Verlander. Suarez. Oh, got a Brandon Lowe rookie season stat line to 129. Meadows, Peralta, Kershaw, Voit, and Goldie. Jacob Tyler, Real Muto. Short print or variation, whichever. A Marte with a dinged up corner, some more trash. Drew Parrish to $9.99, American Pride. Man, these dinged up corners are bugging me. Right now, all of these are trash at least. There may be more than this. I'm going to have to really look at stuff when I wasn't going to take too much time while I'm breaking it for you guys, but I'm going to have to look at this stuff closer. Martinez, Talion. Oh, Mike Trout, turn backwards. Ooh, yes. Career stat line, 189. It's 189 stolen bases. Sweet, and that card looks to be in really good condition, so that's good. Wade Davis, Aaron Judge, Santana, Trevor Richards, and Aaron Nola. So that is my second box of 2019 Donruss. Still happy with it. I mean, the beat up cards stink for sure. I hate throwing cards in the trash. No two ways about it. Man, yeah, that stinks, but the rest of it, I mean, what are you going to do? You get an extra hit, tons of inserts, tons of parallels, tons of numbered stuff for a really reasonable price. I mean, unlike some of the other boxes that cost you an arm and a leg. So Alright, gang, that's it. 2019 Donruss. Thanks for watching. Please like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. I'll be back with box 3 and some more select basketball for you basketball fans soon.